What's going on, all you beautiful people out there in YouTube world? Kind of not sure what all of these are because I thought I was only getting 2 knives in this group right here, but apparently there's 3. I do remember wanting to check that out. I tried to, and they said they didn't have any more. When I wanted to try to borrow one or something like that from someone, they said they had gotten rid of it or something like that, or something happened. I can't remember, but this is supposed to be like an updated version, I think. I don't know. Let's check it out first, though. We also got the Ketu Griffin and Carbon. Carbon what? We will find out when we open it. Here, we'll do this. This order right here. Let's check out Ketu Triad Carbon Fiber M390, designed by Felix Danishwara. Check it out. If we can get the zipper to work properly. There, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Alright, so this is what I thought it was. I was wanting to check this out a long time ago, just couldn't. I didn't want to pay for something I didn't have a clue about. So, there we go. Better. It's supposed to be, what is it? Triad lock. So what's... So it's like a triad. Okay, what is it called? Triad? A Ketu Triad. I don't know what the lock mechanism is. It's like a button lock, okay? So, you see right there, you have like a liner lock on the inside type, but you can't get it with your finger, obviously. But you have the button right up top right there that does it for you. And that button definitely sticks out. Let's see if it goes back in. So it goes back in a little bit, but it still sticks out quite a bit. Huh. There we go. Okay, so it's a little harder on the thumb flick. Maybe just need broke in a little bit. Alright, so the reverse flick is not bad. You just got to really make sure you get your finger there and like get a little... Honestly, you have to kind of almost like push in a little bit and do it at the same time. Sometimes on my reverse flip, on my thumb flick, I kind of put my nail down there a little bit like that and then do it. This, you can't really do that. You just kind of got to put a little bit, like a little pressure with your thumb right there and go up with it. So that's not bad. You have the fuller tab or the thumb hole, finger hole. All right, so you got all types of ways, right? All right, let's try that front flipper now. Okay, so the first one was a fail. Let's try third time. Okay. Man, good. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Flicking this thing open for my thumb is definitely... I probably did it about 15 times with my thumb. I'd have no clue, honestly. I think 15 was a good high number, just in case. But for like, I feel like it's my thumb hurts kind of a little bit right there. Well, look at it. So look at that. And look at the nail, like this from trying to do that. So that was already kind of tore up a little bit, but now it's worse. But yeah, so there's an imprint on my thumb from that. This is slick. I don't know why. The jimping is a little bit. I think they could have used a little bit more aggressive jimping. But it's not bad. I think you just have to get used to it. But okay, it's not bad though. Let's go. Let's move on. Like, okay, so it's not bad. The thumb studs aren't bad. You just got to put a little pressure on them, then go up with the finger hole. That's going to be your best bet right there. Get your finger in that hole, and it'll work every time. That's about the best way to open it, I think. Until you really like adjust yourself to doing it like the other ways, like the front flipper. Let's check it out, how it feels in hand. Feels in hand pretty good, pretty good. Looks like you could choke up a little bit right there if you need to. You got the jimping's not bad out here. Obviously, it's different because you're not trying to flick it with your thumb, but it's not bad out here. I like that blade shape though. Compound grind. What is it? It almost looks like a harpoon. I don't know what the blade shape exactly is. I'll have that in the final review, but that's kind of cool. You got a Triad M390. Nothing on this side. I like that. Okay, the blade shape looks dope. I'm not gonna lie, it's dope. And what is that? Okay, so it has like a little bit of a lasering right there. I can't tell what it is. It almost looks like a mushroom, upside down mushroom or sideways mushroom or something. Not bad though. It's kind of cool, I guess. Kind of blended in though. Just right in the right lighting, I saw it. Titanium pocket clip. It looks like a little small. Not bad though. Backspacer. That's kind of cool. I like that. Nice jimping on the backspacer. Got a lanyard hole right there for you. Nice big one. Not bad. I do like the way this looks overall. Nice carbon fiber. Oh, I like they got a filler tab right there. For the price you're probably going to pay for this thing, they better have a filler tab right. So the pocket clip's reversible. So the button lock is more like a liner lock. Tie like an inside liner lock. I don't know what they want to call it for KT. It's just something. I can't remember what Vossy calls theirs. They have something like that. They have a top liner lock. It just depends on the company. They all have different names for them. But I really like this thing. Let's kind of move on, though, because I've spent 6 minutes on that. That's cool. I like that. That's a good one. Carbon. Oh, yeah, this is the Buckhorn. Buckhorn. So you get a little cloth right there, a little card. Authenticity. All right, that's cool. What is that? Is that like, that's not like metal, is it? Oh, it's closed up, too. It's like a card. It's like a thick cardboard. Maybe plastic. That's cool. And it's like sealed up completely all the way around. Cool. Alright, carbon. I see you. And then KT. I just say KT because I don't know how to pronounce it. It says a KT on these. So I'll say KT. I don't know if that's like a company by KT or what. I don't know. There's a sticker right there though. Call it odd, but alright. Buckhorn. Alright. Ooh. Oh. What the heck do you call that blade shape? I want to be sheep's foot, reverse Tonto, Warncliffe. I'll have that in the final review. This thing is thin. Okay, so she get a little chunky right here, in the middle of it, right here. But it's thin right up in here. It's thin kind of back here. That's kind of cool. And let's look at all the design, like that, all the milling and everything it took. There you go. That's so cool. Reminds me of that's a buckhorn. That's a shotgun shell like type of pivot right there. That's that's so cool. I like that. That's a small pocket clip too though. Oh. Ew. That thing hurts. Alright. So you just gotta get your finger underneath of it. But it's not bad though once you get it moving. It's just small. It's a very small pocket clip. Just got to get your finger under it, and it does move pretty well after that. Nice little backspace. Oh, that's so cool. I like it. I like the little bit of milling right there for it. Nice little lanyard hole right there. Carbon. Nice blade. Jimping. Jimping's nice. Man, this might have been the better one of the two. What's up? Like out of that one, I should put this one last. I like this. It's thin. Like it's definitely thin right in here. That is a freaking thin knife. Like, that's not bad. Oh, I did the flipper tab earlier. Flipper tab's cool. It works nice. I like that it's hollowed out. I like that. It's not overly big. It's got a little bit of jimping right there. And pop, there it goes. Goes the weasel, right? And I like these thumb studs because they're angled. So you have your finger right there on it and just, that's nice. Nice. Okay, get your finger off the frame lock. Oh my gosh. There we go. There we go. We're good. My fingers just wore out from that. That's what it is. My thumb is. That's nice. That works very well. Oh, cool. It says King Onion on the inside too. This is cool. It has screws on the inside right here on the inside. You can see it right there. They look like screws. Holding in that backspace or some. How does this all work? You have screws right there. You have screws right there. You have a screw right there. So I wonder how that all works. That's crazy. Sorry, I'm kind of tripping because I'm just kind of curious now. Huh. That's cool. I like this thing. This thing's nice. Freaking legit. It's large too. Look at it. That's so cool. I did not think that was going to be something cool. That is. I like that. Oh, this is the one I was wanting to really check out. It looks cool. It's right up my alley color-wise. What is this called? Let's get the information. Ketu Griffin. You got some carbon fiber. M390. Blade treatment is tick. Tick, 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 tock. And it's designed by David Jen. This thing, as I just failed opening it, I think this thing looks futuristic. This thing's awesome looking. I think this is cool. It's got the same type of button lock on it as the Triad. Works great that way. Oh, dude, this thing is awesome. Man, this has been a great unboxing so far. Well, so far I've got them all open, so just overall. Honestly, I like this one the best. This one's second. Very tight second, or almost first. This one is probably I like the least. But I still like it, though. I like the blade shape and everything. It looks good. This thing is just awesome. It's smooth. Solid lockup. You can open it 3 different ways. Rear flipper is awesome. Front flipper, I love that angle, kind of where it kind of goes up. It gives you that extra little gusto right there to get that open. That's awesome. And right there, that finger hole is phenomenal. Nice little jimping right here, though, for your thumb. You can also, I like this, how they carved this out, because now I can push right there without jimping and still push it down and get a good grip, like almost pull it back. That's a great idea. And you can choke up, too, right here. Dude, this knife's phenomenal. I wonder how much this is. Cool little, that's kind of cool. It didn't come with a tool or anything, so I don't... Huh. Oh, cool. It got, oh, stickers, dude. So, okay, so that's what that is. These probably both came with stickers and someone just shoved it in the carbon one. Is that a sticker? Huh. Yeah. Okay. Makes sense now. Because I was like, I don't know if they're a parent company with them or sister company or yada, yada, yada. Okay. It's all coming together now. This thing's awesome, though. This thing's phenomenal. Got a nice little carbon fiber inlay right there. I'm sure this is all titanium. Cool back spacer. You got a little jimping right there above the lanyard hole. This thing's just futuristic looking. I like it. Okay, so that's the same symbol right here. So here it is up top. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but it's kind of cool, I guess. Griffin right there. Cool. KT right there. Dude, this thing's fire. I don't know if that's some type of screw right there that you need to open. Well, how the heck? So it's got it right there. It's got one single slash. And you got that. Or they want you to like use a flathead screwdriver or something like that? Or do you even need to do anything with that? You just take the screws off right here and then right there. And that's just for the pivot. Yo, now I'm confused. I don't like that. It's kind of cool looking, though, don't get me wrong. But if they didn't bring the tool with it, that's what would irk me a little bit. It's got screws on the inside. So I do not know how this all goes together. I'd be careful. If that is the screw, I would be careful. I'll let you know that in the final review. That's something I don't know if I'll have to let you know in, obviously, the final review. I won't go speculating. Obviously, you ain't going to have anything for that, really, I wouldn't think. Good Lord. I don't have anything in my toolbox for that. But super cool opening, first impressions. Yeah, dope. Like it. If you got any comments, questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you know anything about these screws, let me know. Hopefully I'll have them figured out for the final review beforehand. So, yeah. If you guys have any comments, questions, let me know in the comment section. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.